good luck. Holy shit!
So you're gonna hurt yourself.
Oh, help! Come here!
Just help him.
Can I go over?
Go ahead. Stay shut.
Oh, motherfucker.
This is some bullshit.
This is real bullshit. I'm sorry. Oh, fuck.
The problem is the power is still on.
Unbelievable.
Wow.
I'm pretty sure if someone was going to get electrocuted, they would have got.
Are you going to stand there, sir?
No, I was just waiting to close this.
It's good not high over there, you see?
It just keeps coming. It's not even nothing. Who lives on the first floor?
Everyone.
I don't really know.